Round your city, round the clock. Everybody needs you. No, you can't make everybody equal. Although you got buku family, you don't even got nobody being honest with you. Breathe till I evaporated. My whole body see-through. Transportation handmade, and I know it better than most people. I don't trust them anyways. You can't break the law with them. Get some good shit, have a calm night. Shooters killing left and right, working through your worst night. If I get my money right, you know I won't need you. And I tell you, I hope the sack is full up. I'm fucking, no, I'm fucked up. Spend it when I get that. I ain't tryna keep you. Can't keep up a conversation, can't nobody read you. Why your eyes well up? Did you call me from a seance? You were from my past life. Hope you're doing well, bro. I've been out here head first, always like the head first. Signal coming in and out. Hope you're doing well, bro. Everybody needs you. Everybody needs you. Ooh, 90-90. This feel like a quaalude. No sleep in my body. Ain't no bitch in my body. New beginnings, new beginnings. Wake up high, the sun's going down. Time to start your day, bruh. Can't keep being late on. Know you need the money if you gon' survive. Every night, shit, every day, shit. Dropping baby off at home before my night, shit. You know I can't hear none of that, spend the night, shit. Kumbaya, shit. Wanna see Nirvana, but don't wanna die, yeah. Wanna feel that none of them you come by. Fuck with me after my shit. Know them boys wanna see you broke down and shit. Bummed out and shit, stressed out and shit. That's everyday shit. Shut the fuck up, I don't want your conversation. Rolling marijuana, that's some cheap vacation. My everyday shit, every night shit, everyday shit.
All my night, been ready for you all my night. Been waiting on you all my night. I'm all my night, you've been missing all my night. Still got some good nights, good nights.
Every night fucks every day up. Every day patches the night up. On God, you should match it, it's that KO. No white lighters till I fuck my 28th up. 1998, my family had the Acura. Oh, the legend. Kept at least 6 discs and a changer. Back when Boswell and Percy had it active. Couple bishops in the city building mansions. Oh, the Reverend. Preaching self-made millionaire status. When we could only eat at Shoney's on occasion. After Trina hit, I had to transfer campus. Your apartment I didn't use since where I waited. Staying with you when I didn't have an address. Fucking on you when I didn't own a mattress. Working on a way to make it out of Texas. Every night,
Dropping baby off at home before my night shit. Yeah, you know I can't hear none of that. Spend the night shit. Kumbaya shit. Wanna see Nirvana, don't wanna die, yeah. Wanna feel it, none of the cool you come by. Fuck with me after my shit. You know them boys wanna see me broke down, see me bummed out, stressed out, that's every day shit. Shut the fuck up, I don't want your conversation. Rolling marijuana, that's a cheap vacation. Day shit, every day shit, every night shit, every day shit, every night shit.